Hello student, welcome to the lecture number 31, and this is the last lecture into the petrochemical technology, and into this we will study the topic that is product finishing process. So product finishing process is very important into the refinery. This is the last stage of the after the distillation. So we are checking the quality assurance of the product, different properties that is meeting to the market or as per the environmental regulation. So we will come to know more detailed information into this lecture about the product finishing process. So let's begin with, in a refinery, the product finishing process involves the final step taken to refine crude oil fractions into the high quality marketable products such as gasoline, uh, diesel, jet fuel, various petrochemical feedstock. And these processes are essential in ensuring the refined product meet the stringent quality. The refined product should meet the stringent quality, environmental and regulatory specification before being distributed to the consumer. So further processing in other industry, or if some industry want to process these product further to recover some valuable product, so this has to be meet with the all the tested criteria based on the requirement and demand of the customer. So there are some key aspect product finishing process in the refinery that will include the distillation. So fractional distillation, here we separate the crude oil into the different fractions based on their boiling point, and this process is initial step in the refinery and helps to produce various products like gasoline, diesel, jet fuel and heating oil, etc. Next, we have the hydrotreating. In the hydrotreating, we have desulfurization. This removes the sulfur compound from refined product to comply with the environmental regulation and enhances the product quality. Hydrotreating also reduces the nitrogen and other impurities, improving the stability and performance of the fuels and other refined products. Next is, we have catalytic reforming. This unit is to improve the octane rating. So catalytic reforming transforms low octane naphtha into high octane component used in gasoline blending. It involves the rearrangement of hydrocarbon molecule to increase the octane rating and improve the performance. Next, we have the isomerization, hydrocarbon rearrangement. So that converts the straight chain hydrocarbon into the branch chain isomers, enhancing the property of gasoline component by increasing their octane rating. Next, we have the alkylation. This is the producing high octane gasoline. This combines the small low molecular weight hydrocarbon with isobutane to create high octane alkylates, a valuable gasoline blending component. And another operation, that is hydrocracking. Into the hydrocracking, the heavy hydrocarbon conversion. This breaks down the heavy hydrocarbon into lighter, more valuable products like gasoline, diesel and jet fuel, and improving their quality and yield. Then final, we have the blending and additive. So into this stage, optimizing the product specification involves the blending different refined component and adding specific additives to achieve the desired product that are in demand. Desired product specifications such as octane rating, viscosity and other performance characteristics of the fuel. And another is quality control and testing. So ensuring, into this section, ensuring the product quality, it is rigorous testing and quality control measurement are undertaken to ensure that the refined product meet with strict industry and regulatory standard before you distribute it to the consumer. And final stage, we have packaging and distributing. So final packaging and refined product appropriately for safe transport to the consumer and storage before distributing to the consumers or other industries. So the product finishing process in a refinery are a critical transforming crude oil into range of high quality product that meets the market demand, regulatory environment and regulatory requirement, performance standard while maximizing their value. So each step is taken carefully, designed and executed to ensure the quality, consistency and suitability of the final refined product. So this was all about the uh, final step of the refining process, and we have talked about the more detail about into this lecture about the packaging also, and controlling the different properties as per the requirement of the market and quality testing. So this was the final lecture, and if any queries you can write to me, you can call me anytime, and we will so this was the end of the lecture. Thank you.